What you doing? Hi. Hi, cuteness. Hi, baby. Hi. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Come here. Come here, girl. Come here, baby girl. Come here. What happened? Mama bought you a couple of new toys yesterday. Let's see if we could get you to play with it. Look at that. Look. Look, you get a new toy. It's got a bell. It's got blocks. Look, it has these things. You love these things. See that? Look. You like those. You like those, baby. Boop. Boop. Come here. You want your cookie? Want a cookie? Want a cookie? You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. You're just so fluffy. Baby, you feeling some kind of way today? Huh? You feeling some kind of way? What's going on with you? My sweet girl, you okay? Huh? Oh, great. Got poop on my hand. Lovely. 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 I see you found your little zebra. He's so cute. All right, let me get this poop off my hand.